right, so this is how I know some people are struggling with black screens with the Astros, and you got a PS5. Some people are struggling with it. Hopefully this can help you. So what I did was make sure everything connected, make sure make sure this red cord is connected to this. Make sure it's connected to the red one. Make sure it's connected to the PC. Even if you don't have a PC, make sure it's connected, or else the whole station won't turn on. Okay. Once you got that, make sure you have 2 HDMIs. HDMI out to your monitor. HDMI in to the PS5. All right. And then have this. It can be a USB-C to the USB. Make sure that's connected. I got mine connected to the back of it. Okay, so this is connected all the way to the back. All right. So once you got that, all right. At a moment y'all been waiting for. You're gonna turn these bad boys on. And you turn them on by holding this. And once it's on, you want to press this cycle button. Okay. So I switched mine to Xbox. Okay, so now you see that it's not on. Okay. So make sure you press the cycle button. Okay, now it's the PC. Now it's the PS5. Okay. Now it's on. Now this is what worked for me. If it didn't work for you, keep searching. Play around with it yourself. And yeah.